Now we connect USB cable to connect the computer, and here's a switch which is off, and now it's on, and connect the adapter, the hub. And when you do not connect USB data cable, the LED indicator do not display. But when you connect the thin cable to the USB hub and the computer, you can plug in to the hub. It will be display the LED indicator like this. It's very clearly right. You use any USB devices which can the LED indicator in display.